Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to find out what is 15% of $60. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to it. So 15% of $60. So this symbol percentage is equals to 1 by 100. So if we remove the symbol, we can write 1 by 100 in place of it. So it becomes 15 times 1 by 100 of means multiplication $60. So it's 15 by 100 times $60. So we can cancel out the 0 with 0. 15 by 10 times 6. So it cancel out with table of 5. It's 3 and 2. And with table of 2, 6 cancel out at 3. Now it's 3 times $3. That is $9. 15% of $60 is $9. I hope you find it useful. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.